Hello, today we're going to go over how to enroll for the password reset portal, and then we're going to go over how to utilize it once you've forgotten your password. Let's get started. To begin, at the top of a new tab, I'm going to type in reset.asub.edu. Once the page loads, you can see the sign-in box asking for your username. This is going to be your first name, last name, and then your student password. Then we're going to click Log In. Once the reset portal loads, at the top you can see we have Enrollment at the third tab. We're going to click Enrollment. Once the enrollment page loads, this is where you're going to enter in your security questions and answers. You're going to click the drop down on both, select 2 questions, answer them, and then confirm them. Once you're done, at the bottom, instead of Update, it should say Enroll. Then you click that button. Enrolling enables us to come back to the reset.asub.edu portal and change our password without fully signing in using these questions. Now, if you'd like to change your password within this, we're going to click the tab that says Change Password. As you can see, it lists some details for the password, such as the minimum password age, the maximum password age, what length it is, the number of passwords it remembers, and then password complexity. Once you've entered in your old password and your new password twice, you can hit Change Password at the bottom. Now I'm going to demonstrate how we can use those 2 security questions we said earlier to reset our password without fully signing in to the reset portal. You're going to go to the blue link where it says Reset Password, and you're going to click on it. Once this loads, it's going to ask for your domain username, which would be your first name, period last name, and then at the bottom, you're going to enter in the string of numbers it shows. Once you're done, you're going to hit Continue at the bottom. Once we hit Continue, we can see that it asks for our 2 security questions. I'm going to enter mine in, and then I'm going to return back to you shortly. Once we hit Continue, the password reset prompt pulls up like in the previous example. That was how to enroll for the password reset portal, how to change your password within the portal, and how to change your password without logging into the portal. If you have any other questions, please feel free to come by the Vanguard Technical Support Center, give us a call, or send us an email. Thank you, and have a great day.